How to remove suggestions from Chrome in laptop. So go ahead and open your Google Chrome browser. And as you can see, if I type a letter on the search bar, suggestions will show. So to remove this feature, what you need to do is in the home page, click on the three dots icon on the upper right corner of the screen. These drop-down menu will show, and from here, select Settings. Make sure that you're in the You and Google option. Now, in here, your email will show, and below that is the Sync and Google services, so click on that. This will bring you to the page where you can control your Google services. So in here, go to Improve Search Suggestions. Make sure to turn off the toggle for this, as this is the feature that sends you suggestion results once you type in something in the search bar. After turning that off, go back to the home page, refresh, and as you can see, once I type something on the search bar, no suggestions is showing now. So that is how to remove suggestions from Chrome in laptop. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.